So Amit, Anand and Amrita, your problem is this electrical 20. Please note, I will solve more than 150 questions, okay, in this session, non-stop 8 hours class, okay, and I will solve all the questions that has come in GATE 2020 and also previous year question I will solve, okay. So that will clear your concept, because today we will prove that any questions cannot come from outside from our classes, okay. So the question is dy by dx is equal to x minus y and y0 is equal to 1. He is asking y is equal to what? Add x is equal to in2. in2 means log 2, you can think. So whenever you have such type of differential equation, dy by dx plus px is equal to q, where p and q are the function of x, then this is linear differential equation, okay. So it implies that solution is equal to y into integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? I will explain you. C into q into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is your solution. I will explain. So now see, your question is this: dy by dx is equal to x minus y. It has come here, minus x, or this is y, sorry, py is equal to q, okay, because p is a function of x. So your y, it will come here, plus y is equal to x, dy by dx plus y is equal to x. So in this condition, what is your integrating factor? Your integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of p dx. This is your integrating factor, okay. So dy by dx plus y is equal to x. So there is 1. It means that this is, you can write 1 into y. It means that your p is equal to 1 and q is equal to x, okay. Here, if we compare this equation with this, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, then you will get p is equal to 1 and q is equal to x, okay. So your integrating factor, at first I will find the integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of p is equal to 1 into dx. So integration of dx is equal to x, is equal to e to the power x. Now you will use this method. So y into integrating factor is equal to integration of c, q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is your solution, okay. So y into integrating factor e to the power x, is equal to integration of c, and q, what is q? Q is y into integrating factor, sorry, q is equal to x, and integrating factor is equal to e to the power x dx plus c. Now you have to integrate x into e to the power x. So first function, second integration, minus dx upon dx, integration of e to the power x, integration and dx, okay. I think that you know, if you have done high school. So this is x into integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, minus dx upon dx is equal to 1, and integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, again integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. So this is e to the power x plus c, okay, is equal to e to the power x minus 1 plus c. This is your answer, y into e to the power x. Now divide by this, y is equal to x minus 1 plus c into e to the power minus x. That is constant, no problem. If you multiply by any value, then also it is same. Now what they have given us? y0 is equal to 1. They have given us y0 is equal to 1. If you will write y0 means x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0. x is equal to 0 means minus 1 plus c into and x is equal to 0, e to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is c is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So your c is equal to 2. In this condition your c is equal to 2. So now put the value, then you will get result. I will erase it again. I will erase it. Okay. So your answer y is equal to x minus 1 plus in place of c 2 e to the power minus x. This is your answer. Okay. So now he is asking, what he is asking? Log 2. So y is equal to, in place of x you have to write log 2. X is equal to log 2. So in2 means log 2 minus 1 and plus 2 into e to the power minus log 2. So e to the power log x is equal to x. So this is 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2 into 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 is equal to 1. If you know the log, already we have also solved one video for the log, how to solve a log problem. Okay, you must go there. So this answer, in this condition, your answer it will be so I think that there is something wrong. X into e to the power x you have taken common. Log 2 e to the power x. Okay, we forget one thing. Y is equal to, yeah, everything we have done. E to the power minus x. So this is 1 upon 2 and okay, so this value it is log 2 minus 1 and this is plus 2 into 1 upon 2. I think that both cancel. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to log 2 and log 2 is equal to, I think that log 2 is equal to 0.693. Some student they send me message that please write in place of dy by dx is equal to 2x minus y. Okay, no problem. If in your exam E2020 they have written in place of x, they have written 2x minus y. So what is the problem? No problem. Your integrating factor, in place of integrating factor you have to write, what you will write? Nothing. The integrating factor is also same. Then your integrating factor is same. Only the q it will be changed. In place of q you will write 2x. Nothing. Why just you worried? Why? If they will write 2, next time maybe they will write 5, then 10, then 15. So every time you will solve the problem. That is nonsense. Okay, you must note that I have solved this problem for x minus y. If in your exam they have asked 2x minus y, so what is the problem? We are teaching you the method. Do not focus on the problems, focus on the method. If you know the method, then you can solve it. Okay, so we have solved the linear differential equation. Okay, now next one, next message for the Kamal from Mumbai. Okay, and he is asking that please explain the curl. Okay, curl, this is very simple. Already we have done a lot of problems for the curl, and the first one, the first question, I think that this is the question number 29, and the first question we have discussed about the what is curl, what is diverge, what is gradient, what is and irrotational, what is solenoid. We have discussed already. Okay, curl means if there is a rotation of any object. So okay, no problem, I will solve your problem. The question is very simple. It has asked in electrical department 2020.